Hi YouTube, just thought I'd like just to show you my BB gun. It's lovely, isn't it? Yes. You wouldn't like that at your head, would you? Look at my BBs as well. Yeah, gold. Whoa. Now if I just cool.